In this video, I'll be bringing you fully up to speed with the incredible developments that have been made to be able to play your Windows PC games fully native within your MetaQuests or Pico headsets. Thanks to the advancements made across the PC emulation community, it is now possible to play Steam, Epic, GOG, and Amazon Game Store titles directly within your VR headset, with no PC required, similar to what the upcoming Steam Frame promises to do. Some of you watching may be familiar with an application called GameNative, an Android application similar to Winlator that lets you easily play PC games on phones, Android handhelds, or even sideloaded into the VR headsets right now to play with a gamepad. While the GameNative application is fantastic at being able to access all of your existing PC games, due to how 2D Android applications are treated in the home spaces of MetaQuest and Pico operating systems, the performance with sideloading this way is unfortunately severely restricted. This is where developer Lubos steps in. Bringing the knowledge gained from WinlatorXR development, they have successfully implemented an unofficial XR mode into GameNative, unlocking all the performance the MetaQuest 3 and Pico 4 Ultra have to give, while retaining full feature support from WinlatorXR for things such as OpenTrack WXR and Reshade 3D. But before you jump online looking at how to install this, or go messaging any developers about it, please keep listening, as it's extremely important to know the state of things right now regarding the MetaQuest 3 and 3S devices. The GameNative project has a long list of contributors aiming to make the application the place to play PC games on Android. It also has a huge following of users. This means a broad selection of hardware from which the users share working game profiles, based upon the GPU model presented from their device. Unfortunately, this system creates a challenge specifically when using MetaQuest 3 and 3S devices. Shortly after the Quest 3 released, Horizon OS completely broke Mesa Turnip video driver support. So game profiles created against the same Arduino GPU using the Quest 3 will completely fail to load when Turnip is selected. To add even more insult to injury, the new Quest 3 system drivers now have broken compatibility with the previously recommended DXVK version 2621, which in itself was recommended to fix issues the previous Quest 3 driver had with rendering. This broken compatibility has led to a situation where you now need to use the Meta Ray-Ban glasses video driver to fix the issues on Quest 3. I have to make it clear these problems are absolutely not in any way due to GameNative or Winlator, but without this Turnip video driver support in Horizon OS and tighter integration to GameNative application itself, it is simply too much of a task to maintain forks in a project of this size for the small WinlatorXR team alone. The proof of concept has been more than successful, fully working and primed ready for future developments. So where does this leave the GameNativeXR project? The main developer behind GameNative has since acquired a MetaQuest 3 headset, expressing great interest in bringing their application across to this popular VR headset, with Lubos giving the GameNativeXR code back to the GameNative developers. Along with the huge community behind GameNative in general, some truly amazing things could happen. But I don't share this insight today as just a tease for what could have been or is what yet to come. I did say at the start of the video, it is now possible to play Steam, Epic, GOG, and Amazon Game Store titles directly within your VR headset with no PC. And now you can, thanks to the implementation of Winlator Lodashi Plus Store Manager into the brand new release of WinlatorXR, available for free right now on SideQuest and GitHub. Considerable effort has gone into cleaning up the UI and making the setup process of the containers required to run the games as frictionless as possible. The new WinlatorXR now automatically sets the best drivers for your standalone VR headset and includes the latest Box64 and FEX all pre-installed, configured and ready to go for maximum performance. The contents page now has all new sources, allowing download and install of all the latest components used in the containers, along with any external resources, tools and runtimes you may need. The improvements haven't stopped here. The amazing OpenTrack WXR and Reshade 3D programs are now fully built into WinlatorXR, with just one box to tick to enable them for all your games. No install or setup is required. When you are in game, you will find new VR motion control gestures, such as emulating holding the steering wheel. There's new image shader effects, contrast adaptive sharpening with real-time adjustments, immersive mode distance scaling, left-handed mode, a new keyboard, and so much more. A quick start video for this new version of WinlatorXR has been uploaded to the channel, and a fancy video link should be somewhere on the screen now. If not, check the video description. Anyone that's watched the previous tutorials will hopefully appreciate the new, much faster, streamlined setup. So what are you waiting for? Go play some PC games in your headset right now. Cheers guys, and thanks for watching.